Say we have two straight lines, L1 being one of them. Let L1 be equivalent to A1x plus B1y plus C1, which is equal to 0. L2 being equivalent to A2x plus B2y plus C2, which is equal to 0. Now let's visually see how these look like. We have two straight lines which intersect at a point, say P. Then the general equation of any straight line passing through the point of intersection of those lines L1 and L2, which is P, here is given by L1 plus lambda L2, where lambda belongs to real number and this L1 plus lambda L2, from this equation we can find out the equation of any line which passes through the point P. So this is basically the family of straight lines passing through the point P. Now consider a variable straight line a x plus by plus cn equal to 0, where a, b and c are real and are not related. Then this straight line does not form a family of straight lines. But if a, b and c are related as al plus bm plus cn equal to 0, then we can find a family of straight lines by replacing this relation in the original equation, the x plus by plus al plus bm by n as c, and then we can find the point where the family intersects. If you liked what you were seeing, please consider subscribing. Thank you.